Hello, Yatris. So, do you want to start your career with Microsoft Azure, or do you want to switch your cloud from AWS, GCP, or any other? Then you need to first understand the Microsoft Azure portal. So, here, what I gonna cover? I will give you the each and every steps in each and every concept which you must know if you want to start with Microsoft Azure. So, I'm Yatharth Chauhan, 15x Microsoft Azure certified, and here let's get start this video. So first and foremost, which you must have a subscription to access the Microsoft Azure portal. So how we are going to access the subscription? So I already prepared one video where you can access the dashboard via Microsoft Azure subscription top 5 ways which you can take. So the link is given in the description and the I button. You can check it out. So first you can see the navigation bar from Microsoft Azure portal. So here you can see on left side you can access all the Microsoft Azure product, the top notch which you are using in the industry. The AI Foundry, as you can see in the AI industry, the one of the top notch Azure AI Foundry is used. So other things you can see here, the Copilot Studio, which already I covered in the past videos. So yeah, that's pretty much about Microsoft Cloud. And you can see the menu bar and you can create the resources directly here. You can see the home page right now and dashboard. I will give you the quickly demo how to create a dashboard. And here you can see the all the services options. I click on the all services and here you can see all the services by categories you can access by here. Analytics, compute containers, database, DevOps, everything. Got it? Now let's coming back to here. And this is a favorite which is by default by Azure. So this is a frequently used services by all cloud and DevOps engineers. So you can see each and every popular services and you can access it directly here, right? So yeah, that's something about which you need to must understand to improve your productivity, right? So this is a search bar you can see here. So everything is directly accessible by a search bar. So let's say I want to access any such a service is called container apps. So I'm just type container and you can see here all the container related services are mentioned here. If you want to access any marketplace, then you can access via this or the documentation is here. So you can access each and everything about any services. So let's say you want to know some about any services, then you can search here and access everything, right? So this is a very pretty much way to understand the concept with practical. Fine. So here is the Copilot. Here you can chat with your resource group, your services, your configuration, your mental. Let's say okay. So you can see the hello Yatris is coming here, and you can just type whatever you want to know, right? So yeah, just close this one, and this is the terminal access. So this is called the Cloud Shell. So via accessible the Cloud Shell, you can chat with your resources. That means you can create a resources and services via commands. Okay, via command lines. So this is something beautiful which you can access, which you can learn how to create resource group and services by terminal. Right? So via UI is a very pretty much easy with via terminal that you need to do. Right? So yeah, here is the notification. Next. So you can access all the updates via these features. Let's say about your cost, about your subscription, about any such things which you created, is created or not, is deleted or not. Each and everything are mentioned in the notification. So nextly, the settings which you can access here, everything which you need to change. Let's say I want to change the appearance. Let's say I want to keep it in the dark mode. Then I just click on the apply. So okay. So this is something which you can access if you want to change. Yeah, fine. Then you can see the support plus troubleshooting. So you can ask any doubt if you want any support or you want to troubleshoot any such things. You can directly ask here to Microsoft. So they are going to support you. Then here is the feedback button, which you can share your experience. You can share your story, how it gonna help out to you. So Microsoft will understand it and they are improving. It's gonna be positive or negative, whatever is coming from you. So next you can see the account information. So you can check it out all the information which you want to check first before going to start your Azure resources. So here you can see the all the account information. If you want to switch directly, you can switch here, right? So yeah, that's pretty much about the navigation bar. And here is the Azure services, which you can see frequently used by you. So I'm actually use the frequently Azure AI Foundry, Virtual Machine, OpenAI, App Registration for sign-in and authentication. Here is the subscription, right? So yeah, that's pretty much about from iDashboard. Okay. So this is the resources where you can see each and every stuff which you are going to create. So day by day, it gonna be updated. Then you can see the navigate. If you want to quickly go into the particular useful resources, you can check. Then you can see the tools which help out to you to understand all the concept. And this is a useful links which is you can check it out at least once in some free time. And you can download the mobile application which you can access the Azure portal via your mobile. It would be on your Android or iOS, both are given. Fine. So yeah, that's pretty much something about Azure portal. So let's say you want to favorite something, you want to start something, right? So here is my virtual machine. Let's say I want to keep it in my favorite section. Then just click here, right? So go to home page and here is the favorite. You can see now directly I can access this Yatri Cloud virtual machine, right? So let's say I want to create a one dashboard. Fine. So how I can create? So let's say I want to keep it this into my dashboard. Then let's say I want to pin this. Then I click on the pin button and you can see I don't have any dashboard right now. Correct? So what I gonna do? I just click on the create and I'm just giving the name of the dashboard. Then Yatri hyphen dashboard. You can keep it anyone from your side. Oh sorry. I just keep it mistake. So Yatri dashboard and just click on the create and pin. So you can see my virtual machine is pinned into my dashboard. So click here and you can access it directly here. So let's say you are in the home page and you want to access the dashboard. Then go to the menu bar and go into the dashboard. You can access it. So it's a very easy, right? Nothing too much complex. So first, please go through it at least once, one by one, understand and let me know. Are you ready to understand more services, to more hands-ons? Then we will start. Fine. So this is the first step which you need to take care right now. And see you soon into my Azure community. The link is given in the description where you can ask any doubt to us. I will happy to give you the answer in the groups. So yeah, bye bye. See you and take care. Do not forget to subscribe to the Yati Cloud. Okay. Bye bye.